See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order. She wants to wind her. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wind her. She on me, yeah.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is really crazy. I am in a new location. This is actually not a new location. This is actually where I used to film about a year ago. I'm actually out here at my parents' house because we are quarantined for good old-fashioned COVID-19. So due to that, we decided to go ahead and come out here and be quarantined out here at my parents' house because if you don't already know, I do have 3 children and we will be doing homeschooling for the next 2 weeks, and I need some support because to do all of that on my own is just a whole lot. So here we are. So new setting, new background. I just wanted to come on and say that. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. Guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. You never miss a new video from me because I do have some good content coming. I know it's been a while. I have literally been on hiatus for 7 straight days. This is the longest I haven't really uploaded. Well, it might not be the longest I haven't uploaded, but it's been the longest that I've been like really super disconnected from my social media. So I am back, and yeah, today's hair is from Ebonyline. So thank you so much, Ebonyline, for sending over this new unit. This unit is from Zury Swiss Lace. It's the Royal Premium Lace Collection, and it is their sister wig. And the wig that I have today for you guys is Brea, and it is in a really pretty bright color. This color is called Underlight Green. So when I saw this color in the pack, I mean on the site, I wasn't really sure what to expect, but I'm sure you guys were curious as to what this Underlight color shade was all about. So I was like, hey, let me be the guinea pig and try it out for you guys. So this wig looks really pretty. It's straight with a nice little, you know, bevel at the end. It does come with baby hairs. The lace color looks really pretty. I really like the lace color on this. I love this peach shade. This is one of my favorite shades to do in virgin hair. When I get blonde hair, or even when I take black hair up, this is the shade that I like to take it to. I've had several wigs in this shade, and I even have a wig in my own collection in this shade. I love this color of pink. So yeah, it's like a salmony, orangish, pinkish peach. It's a peach shade, and peach is one of my favorite colors. It's actually my daughter's favorite color. Peach is her favorite color. So yeah, you got your peach at the top, your nice baby hairs, a lot of good parting space, and you know, the hairline and the parting space looks really nice actually. Let's see what the cap construction is looking like. We got 2 combs on the side. You do have your lace frontal all across the front, which looks really good. You've got your comb in the back, and you've got your adjustable straps. And here is the shade at the back. You've got these dark green shades, you've got yellows, and you've got lavenders and like pale grays all mixed together. But it does look like the peach shade comes all the way down through the frontal, which is really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and change out of this robe. I already have my makeup ready to go. I'm going to put a lighter cap on, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay this wig down. All right, so I went ahead and cut off the lace. So I think I am going to use a little bit of lace tint spray. The tint spray that I'm using today is from Ebin Tinted Lace, Ebin, New York. This is their tinted lace in medium brown skin tone. And I like this one because this one is in an aerosol can. So instead of a spray bottle, which will kind of, the spray bottle will kind of make your hair wet and you have to like blow dry it. This is an aerosol, so it doesn't make the hair wet. And you can literally like just spray it on and keep going. Now remember, this is an HD lace wig. Wow, this fit is bomb. The fit on this wig is definitely bomb. Yeah, the fit on here is fire. Now my hair is very dark, so I have to make sure that my hair is covered because my hair is black. Wow, this wig is really, really cute. I definitely love it. Ooh, look at that. Look at how that looks. So this wig is called Brea. This one is HD lace. This is my first time trying a Zury unit with the HD lace. I feel like I tried every other brand with the HD lace. I tried Newborn Free, I tried Bobbi Boss, I tried Outre. So this is me trying. Ooh, y'all. She is so pretty. This wig is so, so pretty. And I love this color. This color combination on the stock card like color swatch does not do this color justice. This color is banging. Look at that. That is really, really pretty, you guys. Really, really pretty. Let me get a little closer. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Love this. This is so cute. And I haven't even styled it yet. But that looks good. That looks good. Let's see a curved part. My favorite is a curved part. So this is Miss Brea styled up, and this is pretty much how I would wear this wig if I'm going out. Like, I would definitely wear it in a side part, and I would definitely do my baby hairs and wear this hair behind my ears. I love wearing straight wigs this way. This is my favorite way to wear straight wigs, is with either a side part or a middle part and baby hairs and push behind my ears. You could cut the baby hairs instead of swooping them the way that I did, but I kind of like them swooped. Now, as the night would go on, more than likely I would take this side from behind my ear because it ultimately wouldn't stay behind my ear all night unless I used bobby pins. Sometimes it's cute to style your hair with some bobby pins if you really do want it to stay behind your ears. But yeah, this is what this wig is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you can see this unit from all sides. I can't get over this color, you guys. Like, the color is just so perfect. It's like too perfect. It's literally the color that I create all the time with my virgin hair units. And like I said, I even have a wig this color in my own collection because I love this color so much. So I think this unit is for the win, you guys. This unit is like really serving virgin hair straight 26-inch realness. Like, it's definitely serving some realness. So I absolutely love it. It's the 13x4 Brea with the wide flawless pre-tweezed hairline, and it's with HD lace. it's just banging. It's banging. I don't have any complaints about this. Well, let me give one complaint, but this is always with light colored wigs this color. The density around the top is going to be lighter, so you have to make sure that your hair that your cap is light colored, because it may show through. So just keep that in mind. Any synthetic wig that you get in this shade is going to have lower density up here, and you will be able to see through the wig and through the hair sometimes. So you want to make sure that you have a light colored cap, or a cap that matches the hair color of the unit, so that it's not like overly clocking you, okay? So other than that, you guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you again, Ebonyline, for sending over this unit. It is absolutely gorgeous. If you've been eyeing it, I would definitely say this unit is Dragoness approved. I think it is absolutely worth it, and you should definitely go check it out. I'll leave a link down below for Ebonyline so you can check out this unit and all the other units that they have to offer. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and do another thing for me. Make sure you are sharing these videos. It super helps me out. Share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama, okay? Share this video with your mother. All right, you guys, on that note, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.